Hello everyone, my name is Ali and in my previous video I have talked about my philosophy and approach towards this business. In this video I'm going to talk about what makes us best in the industry. So let's dive in. Let's first understand the industry. In today's date there are thousands of people training Amazon selling. There are many who just copy other seller courses and resell them. And a lot of times they only know one aspect of Amazon selling. But we are the only one who covers every aspects of this business. So you can look to this table here. I'll explain you how we are different and why most of the people who joins us, who get to know about us, trust us, and they join our community, they join our programs, they join our services, and uh, they eventually are able to do this business smoothly and flawlessly. So there are lots of trainers who do not know how to import products. They have never imported products. There are lots of trainers who have never researched any products. They either have their own manufacturing unit or they either have their own set of products which they are continuously selling. But what we do different is we research individual products, we validate them, we source them from the supplier from China, we import it by ourselves, we register brand, we private label them, and we launch the products on Amazon with proper advertising strategy by ourselves. So we are in and all completely in control of this business and we control this business fully. When you go to other trainers, they'll either sell you pre-recorded courses or they'll either sell you their management services. We do not do that. When we feel that your products are not up to the mark, they do not deserve the management services, or even after management services we cannot deliver you good results, we upfront say you no and we do not onboard you on our management services. We'll guide you the right way, that you should first research the product, you should first validate a final product, and then you should sell those products so that you can achieve great success on Amazon. So we are here covering all aspects of this business. We practice all aspects of this business on daily basis, and that is why we can proudly say that we can train you and we can help you with all aspects of this business. When you go to, let's say, some of the trainers, there are lots of trainers in India, but let's say if you go to some of the trainers, they'll either sell you pre-recorded courses or they will have to sell you management services, that they will run advertisements on your product. Let's say if you are a newbie or if you are a complete beginner who does not have any product, then their courses and their services are completely useless for you, because you do not have a product in mind, you do not have a product in hand. What will you do after purchasing course? You do not know what to sell, you do not know where to purchase the product from. So that is why most of the people join us, they trust us, and they tell me that you are a one-stop solution for them. So we are basically a one-stop solution for anyone who wants to start selling on Amazon, or who wants to grow their business on Amazon, or who wants to scale their business on Amazon. We have trained over 15,000 entrepreneurs till date. It includes startups, it includes individuals, 17, 18-year guys, college students, job professionals. Even we have helped Shark Tank startups through our workshops, through our videos, through our trainings, and we have helped lots and lots of big brands with management, consultancy, and our programs, training programs. And over the years, we personally have shipped more than lakhs of orders on Amazon. We have imported more than 800 plus products from China, and we have researched more than 2000 products for Amazon and for e-commerce. Here are our students. Look at what they have to say. I'll just keep this slide for a few seconds. In case if you want to read, you can pause and read. There are screenshots of testimonials. There are screenshots of success achieved by students. There are screenshots of they praising me about how I have helped them. You can read them one by one. You can pause the video and just read them. Here are further more screenshots of testimonials from different students who either have imported products from me, who either have purchased training programs from me and they've learned everything, who either have just got my consultancy and scaled their business and achieved greater success. If you see the last screenshot here, the screenshot is sent by one of my students who is just a second year college student, and he has made a revenue of 1.008 crores in last 12 months. Further more screenshots if you want to see. The first screenshot is sent by a student who wants to join my mentorship program. The second screenshot is from a student who made a revenue of 1 crore 16 lakh 74,000 from Amazon in just around 3 to 4 months. The third screenshot is again from a student who purchased my training program and he just achieved greater results after 3 months of my programs and after joining my program. And the fourth screenshot is from one of my other student who wants to research a product and start ahead with the business. Except giving results, another reason why we have achieved such successful number of students and such successful case studies is because we cater to every audience. Let's say if you do not have any product, if you are just a student and wants to start selling on Amazon, you are almost most welcome. You are a working professional, you are doing a job 9 to 5, 9 to 6, whatever, and you want to start selling on Amazon and get into this industry, you're most welcome. We can help you. You're a housewife or a mother looking for support to support your family, working from home, you're most welcome. Let's say if you have zero experience of selling on Amazon and you want to start selling this, you want to get into this business, you can definitely join us. Or any kind of seller or any kind of individual who just want to learn Amazon, sell on Amazon, they can join us. Thank you so much. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.